Hi, welcome to our channel, The Bro Code.
ब्रो कोड
Oh,
ये पहला वीडियो है तो
पहला वीडियो
चलता है यार हाँ इतना
yeah.
बिफोर मूविंग ऑन मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है आप सब लोगों से इस चैनल को लाइक करिए सपोर्ट करिए सब्सक्राइब करिए
Yes.
और अपने दोस्तों में बताइए
Absolutely.
फैलाइए कि हम लोग
फैलाइए.
क्या कर रहे हैं यू लाइक इट फॉर श्योर स्टार्ट करते हैं तो श्योर ये बताओ लाइक यू नो आई क्वाइट लाइक योर प्रॉपर्टी दिस इज रियली रियली ऑसम
Thanks. It's beautiful. I love it here. It gives me a completely different perspective of life. Being in the city, you know, I think a lot of people have this ambition of having a house in the mountains. But also what comes with this life is something which is unimaginable. I mean, it's not just a change in location, it's an absolute journey, you know, coming here,
Absolutely.
moving your entire life here. It's getting in touch with the nature. The surroundings and connections that you have, it's completely different from the city life, I would say. But I would also say, like, in the stillness of the mountains, you know, you'll
Yeah.
always find that clarity of thought, clarity of what your perspective in life is, and you know, these things which we usually don't think of in the cities because of our lives being so busy. So I think that is one perspective which I really enjoy here.
सो कितना दूर है ये शहर से शहरीकरण से कितना दूर है ये
शहरीकरण से तो ये 350 किलोमीटर के करीब है और
नियरेस्ट सिटी
this
नियरेस्ट
is
टाउन
this is a place called Tadikhet, and it's a parallel range to Ranikhet.
राइट
Ranikhet is about 8 kilometers from here.
ओके
Yeah.
और ये पीछे पहाड़ दिख रहे हैं ये कौन सी
और
रेंज है ये
ये सारे के सारे ताड़ीखेत का ही पार्ट है. It's
Okay.
all Almora district, but there are different villages in between.
ओके
पीपली गांव है और भी गांव हैं. बट ताड़ीखेत इज़ ब्यूटिफुल बिकॉज इट्स अनटच्ड. एक तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा
Yeah.
लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन कर नहीं रहे. इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट माउंटेन फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द रेंजेस. आई मीन इफ़ यू गो टुवर्ड्स अल्मोड़ा या आप कसार की तरफ भी जाएंगे तो यूल सी अ लॉट ऑफ रिजॉर्ट्स एंड प्रॉपर्टीज बीइंग मेड.
राइट
This is an untouched mountain. So comparatively, less people moving here
Yeah.
as of now.
आते हुए
So
देखा
I
था
am
मैंने
hoping
कल,
in the next
yeah.
5 years
Yeah,
perhaps
yeah,
you'll
yeah.
see a lot of traffic, but अभी तो नहीं है. But the one important fact about Tadikhet that I want to tell you is that Tadikhet has a very special place in the freedom struggle of India.
ओके
Yeah, because Gandhi ji came here and he stayed here during the freedom struggle.
Okay.
So there is a Gandhi ashram here in Tadikhet which you can visit.
फैंटास्टिक
Also, the Kumaoni region around, which is all Ranikhet,
Right.
is beautiful. It's
Yeah, yeah.
impeccable.
That's
You're getting your vegetables out of the ground directly to cook. You have flora and fauna, which is of a particular variety which can only survive here.
राइट
So the respect is very very important. मिट्टी का respect तक बहुत important
बिल्कुल,
है.
बिल्कुल,
उसके बिना आपकी सब्जियां नहीं उगेंगी. तो ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो ज़िंदगी में आपको कंसिडर करनी पड़ेंगी when you move to the mountains.
Absolutely.
I mean, और वो ही नहीं है. There is also other perspectives where you will see the fact कि अगर आप mountains आते हैं, you have to be very respectful to the locals. Tadikhet is
बहुत
beautiful
ज़रूरी है
because
वो, बहुत ज़रूरी
locals
है.
are very very welcoming
Yeah,
and
yeah,
very warm people here. But at the same time, you need to reciprocate.
बेसिकली यही कहना है कि यार यहाँ पे ना आप लोग आइए आराम से आइए रहिए यहाँ पे इट्स नॉट लाइक अ फन डेस्टिनेशन इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव डेस्टिनेशन
Yeah.
यहाँ पे आप सिर्फ जो है अपना आई वुड से टाइम पास करने के लिए या यू नो काइंड ऑफ exuberant lifestyle रहने के लिए नहीं आ रहे हैं you're also here to introspect about life about
Yeah.
you know what we have missed and what we have gained वो जो
Absolutely.
जो समेशन जो होता है हमारा हम लोग कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ है आजकल जो है यू नो वी हैव अ वेरी कॉमन वर्ड लाइक जीरो सम गेन थ्योरी कितना यू नो बहुत आसान है बोर्ड मीटिंग्स में ये चीज़ बोलना और उसके ऊपर जो है प्रेजेंटेशन से दिखा के प्रमोशन ले लेते हैं हम लोग ये चीज़ें बट देन
Yeah.
अल्टीमेटली जो हमारा जीरो समेशन होता है कि व्हाट वी हैव लॉस्ट एंड व्हाट वी
Yeah.
गेनिंग वो इन जगहों पे आके वी गेट टू नो वी गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड फॉर बेटर
Yeah. And cherry on top, if you get a remote job and move here.
There is always a dilemma that we city people face about, like when
Yeah.
they move to mountains or the sea, exploring, you know, the best of both the sides. So why you
Yeah.
chose mountains? I mean, talk to me about
I think my inspiration comes from one of my very old aunts
Achha.
who used to own a cottage in Nainital.
Okay.
And that was one of the original cottages in Jim Corbett. I mean, Jim Corbett actually gifted it to one of her ancestors.
Okay.
And it got transferred over to her. So whenever we as kids used to come to Nainital, she always used to have us on board, and the fact that reaching that mountain was in itself a treacherous task because we had to trek around the mountain.
And that was when? How many years ago?
This is, I'm talking 25 years back.
Okay. A lot of
So
things have
as kids
changed in
we
the
used
last
to-
20 odd years.
Absolutely,
Certainly,
yeah. And that was so adventurous for me.
Mm-hmm.
I remember one night when we were a little late, so she had sent 2 people around the corner where we had parked the car. And it is dangerous because it's got wild animals around. So
Right.
leopards visits are very, very frequent.
यहाँ leopard आते हैं?
There are 6 leopards in the vicinity.
6 leopards here.
6 leopards.
6 leopards हैं यहाँ पे. Tiger भी होंगे?
And every now and then you'll hear one growling. I mean, just about
Okay.
2 days back, he was sitting at the garage.
Wow.
And we had one of our guards drive a bike up here,
Right.
so that the sound can shoo him away. But yeah, leopards is one. Then you have deers here. You have wild boar. We've spotted many times. A lot of good flora and fauna. It's also a very conscious choice, I believe, to be here, to be in isolation, to be separate from the hustle and bustle is a conscious decision.
Right.
It's introspective. It is also a connection that you completely deeply make with the nature. And for one person to understand this life, has to connect to these aspects of the surroundings.
यहाँ पे
Making a
like
living.
you are living an organic life. You're growing veggies.
I am, yes. And I'll tell you what, for sure, the taste is completely different from the normal vegetables. And it's yum. I mean, the water is so nice that you just, after every half an hour, 1 hour of eating, you're hungry again.
Yeah.
So मैं एक पराठा खाने वाला आदमी यहाँ 4 खा लेता हूँ.
Wow.
Yeah, it's easy.
तो आज जो है ये एक के 4 पराठे खाते हैं, तो even we will try and see like किस तरीके से यहाँ पे like we can make some exotic dishes like pizza, like pasta, and we can bake some cakes, we can make some bruschetta, and
यहाँ आके भी तुझे यही खाना है. Focaccia, all that shit. No way. पहाड़ी अंडे बनेंगे, देसी अंडे.
देखना.
आज देसी अंडे बनेंगे.
yeah, awesome होते हो, बहुत
Yeah.
जबरदस्त पहाड़ी अंडे बनाएंगे and we'll show you how to make it.
Yeah. I mean, you can't beat that. देसी
करें?
अंडे. Yeah.
Shift करें scene
चलो,
2 पे.
चलो,
चलिए.
scene 2.
Yeah. Keep watching us. What an awesome setting यार. क्या मजेदार बात है ये, देखिए ना.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. What a setting
Yeah.
for a gourmet cooking.
It's probably like 12 degrees right now, but we have beautiful sun.
Absolutely.
तेरे अंडे बनाए ना कभी?
बड़ा और यार क्या बात कर रहा है, ऐसी बात कर रहा है. नहीं तो वो ऐसा
चूल्हा
है.
चलाया है कभी तुमने?
नहीं, चूल्हा नहीं जलाया.
चूल्हा
ये
नहीं
एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं कि ये
Okay,
ठीक है या
हाँ.
नहीं. प्रभा जी आके बताएंगी, कंफर्म करेंगी कि कि यहाँ
Yeah.
ये ठीक है या नहीं.
a local and she knows fire like nobody else.
Oh yes yes yes.
It takes me at least half an hour to burn a fire.
अच्छा.
And I do bonfire.
प्रभा जी के लिए
She does it.
माय हाथ के लिए.
Yeah. वो 5 मिनट.
Oh, lovely.
प्रभा, ये आग ठीक है? बीच में अंडे नहीं हटाने हमको, पूरे बनाने हैं एक साथ.
नहीं सही है.
ठीक है? ओके गुड. पहाड़ी एग्स.
Yeah. मैं थोड़ा सा बस मैं वेजीज चॉप कर लूँ तो इतना
okay.
जो है you whisk the eggs and add some masalas if you want.
Very important.
Yeah. Here, you start whisking it and I'll just chop the veggies.
Okay. I'm going to do the 100.
That's a rocket science.
Yeah. It's a famous 100. We have to- So what brings you to the mountain, bro? Like, a lot of people travel to the mountains for various different reasons.
I love mountains. I love the isolation here. And one of my favorite mountain destination is Spiti Valley,
Okay.
Taza.
Awesome.
So that's my, one could say, sort of an abode.
Okay.
Yeah. And here, I know that you've been talking about it.
Spiti और उत्तराखंड में क्या? What difference do you see in the mountain ranges?
से देखो,
Flora and fauna, different stuff happening around.
It
I know
is.
a lot of people go for rave parties and stuff to the mountains.
that you'll
Himachal,
find
Himachal.
not in
That's
Spiti
not your
that
thing.
much.
That's
No,
not your
of
thing.
course not my thing. Yeah.
Good.
more of a quiet traveler when it comes to mountains, especially the Greater Himalayas.
Okay.
As we talked about, like we have to respect the ecology and we have to be extremely respectful towards
Yeah.
the nature here.
Yeah.
So I'm not the one who is into an irresponsible outing.
Nice.
Yeah,
And you've been to Spiti a few times.
quite a few times. As I said, it's one of my abodes.
Yeah.
And Spiti has a certain magic to it, and that one could only see when they're there. So it's not like that it's any tourist destination. It's again quiet. थोड़ा सा tourism बड़ा है वहाँ पे. I would say, let me confess that a lot of people have started to go over there.
Okay.
But I've been
Reason
going
being, the
there.
government's made it accessible. Or perhaps
बहुत
new roads,
accessible
new roads.
हुआ
जहाँ
है।
पहुँच नहीं पाते थे लोग, अब पहुँच जाते हैं.
उसमें इसका रीजन अवेयरनेस का है. दूसरा, we have seen shift in tourism as well. Like as I said, people are looking for quiet destinations.
Yeah.
They're not totally into, they want to go to hills and explore
Correct.
the mall roads of the hill stations.
Yeah.
They are pretty much over there to explore the lesser known aspect of any hill station.
Yeah.
So, but for Spiti, just like for Leh, although Leh is extremely commercialized, extremely, I know, in a good way commercialized.
Yeah.
Also
This
nahi
is
hota hai na?
comparatively a very simple way to cook eggs.
Yeah.
प्याज टमाटर अंडा खत्म.
लीजिए आपके
big dollop
प्याज
of-
टमाटर तैयार है.
Butter is one in.
हाँ, so I was talking about Leh. So Leh is different. Leh is commercialized in a good way, and Leh is also a quiet destination if you look at a couple of places. But Spiti, on the other hand, it's not that commercial. It's not that crowded. हाँ, उसमें एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि when you're there at these high mountains, Greater Himalayas is called it, air is very thin. So for people who are in hill stations and they take up to some sort of smoking and alcohol, they need to be a little conservative with that, because we tend to lose our water in the body at that height pretty fast. Keep yourself hydrated. We need to have a lot of water. Avoid alcohol as much as possible. I'm sure enjoy yourself.
Correct.
But yeah. ये मजा है पहाड़ी लाइफ का.
बिल्कुल. और
मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मैं जैकेट उतार दूं, बट देन ठंड लग जाएगी तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी.
यार रजत, एक इंग्रेडिएंट रह गया है.
क्या?
वो मैं लेके आता हूँ.
हाँ ठीक है, बिल्कुल. I need to be careful with that.
The most important ingredient is beer on a nice warm sunny day.
Yeah. Scrambled egg, beers with pita
Why are you
bread.
crying?
No. बस थोड़ा स्मोक जो है वो आ जाता है. I think it's time we add eggs. Want to add some masala before? Yeah. Nice. इसका काम हो गया है. Cheers.
Pahadi अंडे and beer.
Absolutely.
The best combo ever.
Oh.
Cheers, guys.
You'll love it. Beer alcohol content not more than 5%.
We put a disclaimer for you guys.
Yeah.
पर आइए आप भी पहाड़ों में कभी ताड़ी खेत आइए और नज़ारे देखिए और जिंदगी कैसे जी जाती है पहाड़ों में उनका एक्सपीरियंस लीजिए. I'm sure you'll all love it.
Yeah, absolutely. You'll love it. You'll love it for sure.
I'm sure there are a lot of people already doing it, but there's always that difference between a hotel, a resort, and a homestay.
Absolutely. वो तो है. वो रहना भी
I have
चाहिए.
been to homestays all around Almora, Ranikhet, Kasar, Binsar. It's beautiful. I mean, You get such a rustic vibe at the same time, you know. Just local people cooking for you.
Yeah.
Local Kumani dishes are beautiful here. Very delicious. So yeah, I think everyone has to experience the Kumaoni way of life. And this happens to be one of them. Rajat, pahadi ande aapke?
Thank you. Awesome.
Absolutely.
This looks
And-
brilliant.
And I am also giving you some bread.
Wow. And I'm also adding a bit of pakora twist to it. Pahadi pakode, pahadi chutney. बहुत बढ़िया.
Awesome.
Well,
खा के देखो.
खा के देखते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया. सही है ना?
तो we could have done it a little spicy bit. It's okay.
It's okay. तो भाइयों, दोस्तों, friends, followers, this is our first episode. We'll end it here. In the next episode, we'll keep you introducing, we'll keep on exploring unseen, unheard, isolated, secluded locations across the country, mountains, beaches. So this is just the start.
So
Thank
you
you for
don't
watching
just
us.
see mountain life, you see a lot of other places.
Yeah.
Probably next thing could be the sea.
So now we'll start having our brunch. You enjoy yourself too. But please don't forget to follow us, like us, and subscribe us.
Subscribe.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.